Okay? Always remember you have to squat, deadlift. Your feet has to be on the ground.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Sangeet.
Hi guys, this is Amanda.
Today we are here at KK's Fitness Academy, my own gym, and आज Amanda इधर आने का एक ही मकसद है, the reason, importance of mobility.
Mobility and how important mobility is before an exercise. Why you should do mobility, and why do people take mobility as a big deal? It's just because of preventing some injuries. That's the reason that's what I've come to do today, to show a few people why mobility is important.
चलते हैं.
I'm gonna show you all how important, tell you all how important mobility is. Show you all a few different mobilities, okay, workout that you all can do before a workout, alright, because mobility is very important. At least you should do it 5 to 10 minutes before your workout. Why? The reason why is because when you're going to do a workout, your body isn't ready for something. So your body has to know that you're going to do a certain activity or a certain thing. So it's ready to do that particular work. So you can prevent injuries. That is the main idea about mobility. Why your body needs to be ready for a movement. Like its temperature level has to be high. Your heart rate has to increase a bit. Even your breathing has to increase, and the synovial fluid gets in the joints. The joints has synovial fluid. Okay, so in the joints, your joints are ready, and they know. Even your CNS knows that they're going to do. Your body's going to take do some of the some action or movement. If it's not aware, and all of a sudden you go and do things, that's how people get a lot of injuries, lower back pain. People who are basically at home, their body is not aware of certain weights that they're lifting. That's the reason there's a lot of injuries caused. That is the only idea of mobility, and that's why people should do at least 5 minutes of mobility, so your body is ready for any sort of movement. So let's do cat and camel, would be good for the spine. These have to be under the hip joint, okay? There will be a little gap in between, not too much of a gap, alright? Now this is what you'll have to do. Arch the back and round. Breathe in and breathe out, okay? So we would do this for 15 reps, alright? This is the third one. 4, 5, 6, 7,
Yes, like you. Perfect.
8. Okay. Now we will do a shoulder mobility. Alright. So here we go. These are the basic mobilities that we all do and should do before workout. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and last one 10. Okay, that was for the shoulders. Alright, now we'll do a hip mobility for the hip joint, which will be just, it's a leg swing, okay? So full swings and repeat. 1, 2, 3, full swings, yes. 4, 5, 6. Just try to move the legs only. 8, 9, and last one 10. Now reverse that, the other leg. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Go ahead and do at least your warm up should be like 5 to 10 minutes of warm up, so that your CNS, alright, your central nervous system knows that you are going to perform something, do an activity. So that's the reason you have to work out to prevent injuries. Okay, like warm up to prevent. Can you squat properly? Alright, now one thing all you need to remember is, when you're squatting, you're not breathing properly. Okay, why? Because your core is not contracted when you're sitting down, so there's no, you're literally moving. Okay, so when you're going down, make sure you breathe into your tummy. Always inhale here, not here. Okay, so you inhale here and then you sit up. And then you come up and breathe out. What happens is, the core generates a lot of force when you breathe in, okay, and when you're coming up, it gives you that push to get up. Alright, so breathe into your tummy, sit down, and get up and breathe out.
When I go in the arena, make the ground shake, make the ground scream. Me feeling no complete enemy. Bring the fire when I fight to the melody. Blood fire, you beginner. Keep on the game, me a winner. Your man them know me a leader. When I come in the arena, 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 when I come in the arena.
Hot coffee? Cold coffee also.
এখন তো হটটাই ভালো লাগবে। ভালো লাগবে।
না না হট sit down.
Try brown sugar.
I don't understand संगीत movies में बहुत अच्छा करता है, पता नहीं movies कैसे नहीं join किए। बहुत बड़ा एक्टर है संगीत, साउथ इंडियन एक्टर लगता है।
villain
handsome one but
Allu Arjun more than Prabhas. Allu Arjun আছে আরো আছে নাম জানি না। Black coffee before workout as a pre-workout, and black coffee after workout to increase your metabolism.